Hello, so this is Kashif Mahmood from KM Webverse with another video for you. In this video I will tell you how you can create a subdomain in Bluehost. So first of all, you can log into your Bluehost account by going to bluehost.com. So this is the page which you will see once you log in, and to create a subdomain you just need to go to this hosting option over here, and here you can scroll down and you need to click on this cPanel option, and here you will see this screen. You can search over here or you can just scroll down and go to domains. This is my domain, and to create a subdomain I will just need to click on this create a new domain, and here I can write, for example, test dot or anything that I want to use for the subdomain. So for example, a subdomain is like mail.google.com, that is for Gmail, and here you can see this is the main domain, and when we add dot before that and use a name over here as well, so that is called a subdomain. So in our case we can say test dot, and then after that we can add the main domain nlifecoaching.com, and to create it we just need to click on submit and our domain will be created. And now if we want to install WordPress on it, maybe then we can just search for like WordPress over here. We can easily install WordPress by clicking on this install button, and we will select our domain over here from the drop down, and we can enter the login password and we can install WordPress on it. Or if we want to upload the files or something like that, then we can just go to the file manager from the cPanel, and we will be able to upload our website from that as well. Like here we can search for file manager and we can upload our file in this subdomain folder, you can see. So it will show on the subdomain when we go to that. So that's it for the video. Like this video and leave a comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.